Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a goal for many of us, especially as we age. The quest for youthfulness and vitality often leads us to explore various diets, supplements, and exercise regimes. However, one of the simplest and most effective ways to support our overall health lies in what we consume daily. Among the myriad of choices, there is one drink that stands out due to its incredible benefits. This humble beverage can significantly delay skin aging, boost your immune system, and lower cholesterol levels, making it a powerhouse addition to your daily routine. The secret ingredient to this potent drink is garlic. Yes, garlic water is an age-old remedy that has been praised for its numerous health benefits. Drinking garlic water daily can offer a multitude of advantages, particularly for your skin, immune system, and cardiovascular health. Garlic is known for its powerful anti-aging properties. The antioxidants present in garlic help combat free radicals, which are responsible for the breakdown of collagen in the skin. Regular consumption of garlic water can help maintain the skin's elasticity and firmness, thereby reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This natural elixir also supports the skin's ability to repair itself, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion over time. In addition to its anti-aging benefits, garlic water is a fantastic immune booster. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to enhance the immune system's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Drinking garlic water regularly can help you stay healthy by reducing the frequency and severity of colds and other common ailments. This simple drink acts as a natural defense mechanism, keeping your immune system in peak condition. Moreover, garlic water plays a significant role in managing cholesterol levels. The sulfur compounds in garlic helps lower LDL bad cholesterol while simultaneously raising HDL good cholesterol. By incorporating garlic water into your daily routine, you can support your cardiovascular system and maintain healthier cholesterol levels. To make garlic water, simply crush 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic and let them sit for a few minutes. This step allows the allicin to develop fully. Then add the crushed garlic to a glass of warm water, not more than 80 degrees Celsius, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.